This is the C18 high-frequency concrete saw. It's specifically designed for cutting of reinforced concrete, masonry, and stone. It uses a 457mm or 18-inch diamond blade to achieve up to 175mm or 6 7/8 inch depth of cut. The 6500-watt high-frequency motor provides plenty of power for fast cutting and has full electronic overload and thermal protection. We use a permanent magnet synchronous motor design, which is far more efficient than competitors' induction motors. Higher efficiency means more power to the work surface for faster results. It is controlled by the P8K converter, which delivers 6500 watts on 380-volt three-phase input. It has an LCD display with information and error codes. In cases where three-phase power is not available, it can also run on 220-volt single-phase input at reduced power, using the single-phase adapter cable, which will limit the power input to 16 amps or 3700 watts. If a 32 amp or larger breaker is available, it can be wired directly to the breaker for up to 5,000 watts on single phase. To do this, remove the CEE plug from the converter's power supply cable, then connect the L1 brown and L2 black wires to the breaker, leaving the L3 gray wire unconnected. You must also connect the PE green-yellow wire to earth. This should only be performed by a qualified electrician. Both the motor and the converter are water-cooled for efficient cooling at high power levels. This machine must always be used with water cooling. If water is not used, it will very quickly overheat and will display the E8 overheat error code. The motor connects to the converter with a special mil-spec coupling cable. Keep the covers on the couplings when not to allow comfortable handholds for a variety of positions as needed for a vertical and horizontal cut. The blade guard is adjustable to suit various conditions and is locked with this lever. The lower splash guard follows the contour of the work surface and helps with slurry containment. It has a rounded rear edge to avoid catching when cutting in a backward direction. There's a clip to fix it in the upward position if needed. The guide rollers assist in making perpendicular cuts and provide a pivot for leverage. They can be removed tool-free if not needed. To mount the blade, note the direction arrow and mount the blade on the inner flame.